In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Meta Business Suite via your Facebook page. We'll keep this really simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get into Meta Business Suite whenever you need to manage your business tools. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the Facebook page you want to manage. If you manage more than one page, it's especially important to double check that you're using the correct profile. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Facebook page. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or the Pages section in the left-hand menu, then selecting the specific page you want to work with. Wait for the page to fully load so that all the options become visible. Now that you're on your Facebook page, look to the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small icon that opens the main menu, often called the Show menu icon. It may look like 3 horizontal lines or a grid, depending on the current Facebook layout. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click it, a larger menu will slide out or drop down, showing you a variety of tools and shortcuts related to your page and your account. This is where Facebook groups together many of its business tools, including Meta Business Suite. In this menu, look for the option labeled Meta Business Suite. Sometimes it might be under a section like Professional Tools or Business Tools, so scroll a little if you don't see it right away. The name should be clearly visible, and you might also see a small icon next to it that looks like a briefcase or business dashboard. Once you've found Meta Business Suite, click on it. Facebook will now open the Meta Business Suite interface, either in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser settings. Give it a moment to load. You are now inside Meta Business Suite for that specific Facebook page. From here, you can manage posts, messages, notifications, ads, and other business features all in one place. If you ever need to come back, just repeat these same steps. Go to your page,